This is Cubot P50, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So unfortunately, if we'll go to the settings and enter the display category as well as, well, see what values are available for it by default for the screen timeout, we'll realize that the highest we can go is 30 minutes, well, using the default means of the system, of course. Thus, if we would like to set the screen timeout value to never, we will need to use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's download it as well as install. Alright, that's not the one. So this is the app that we were looking for, and now we can just download it. Now all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine, and in here simply make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.